Yes, honey. Yes. Hello. Season's greetings still to everyone. Since I'm feeling quite festive, as you can see already, honey. Quite feeling myself. Back up and give me some room, honey. Y'all all up in my face. You can't even really see my ensembles. And the Christmas tree. Gorgeous behind me, right? Yeah. So I have to tell you guys, this huge blizzard, I'm not sure if you can see out the window since I have on all the lights. I'll give you a little sample of that as I'm going out. But let me just say, this blizzard didn't stop me today. I got lots of things done and had a great time out in the snow walking with my boo. I got what's known as a frozen facial peel. No, you guys, it's cold and windy. Like, it's pleasant when it's not coming right in your face. And those of you, you know, my honeys who are here in the city that went out today, I see you. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So we went out. First stop was with my honey, Varad. And you guys may have heard of her spouse, maybe just a little bit. Udi. Yes, honey. I love them both. And shout outs to Varad for coming out and giving Pierce and I quite the surprise today. We were walking and talking. We went to our favorite Peruvian restaurant over on 10th Avenue, Pio Pio. Honey, if you've not been, honey, check it out. They have locations all over the city. But check, they have the best ceviche. My honey, Angelina, you ought to know what I'm talking about, honey, because you know that's where we went, girl. Yes. You know, fixing the perfect bite and all. But that was the beginning of my day where the snow was just beginning. I even biked in it, you guys. I know. Shut up, DJ. I hear you. Yes, honey. I was biking in it. I am a trooper. My baby shows me new things. Bitch never did that. Yeah. On top of that, I got an opportunity, and you guys can go to my Facebook and check out the pictures from the Museum of Natural History. I think I'm going to make one of my little things I'll post to you guys for thedodirtyshow.com. You can check out some pictures there as well. Let me tell you, at the Museum of Natural History, I went into the stars, honey. It was one of the exhibits that they had. And it was, what did she do? She narrated. That's what it is. Let's see, my baby made me a cocktail, y'all. Whoopi Goldberg narrated the visit to the stars. And it was amazing. I learned, honey, did you know that stars burn for like 5 million years? Honey. It's some things. Some things. Those of you who study science, honey, know what I'm talking about. Do we have any astronomers out there? Drop me a tweet, honey. Let me find out. And after that, me and my boo went out and had a few cocktails, and then we went to see I Love You, Philip Morris. Have you seen the movie? I'm not going to tell you about it in case you haven't seen it, but all I can say is I was surprised. I thought it was going to be full out comedy, and honey, just a few, you know, take a tissue. That's all I'm saying. That's all. Just take a tissue with you, honey. And then to close out the evening, we had a fantastical dinner and movie at Vinyl. Who the fuck at Vinyl things? I got to see Broadway Bears. Oh, you guys. Oh, Chrissy, I want you involved in that for the next year, for 2011, Chrissy. I want you in Broadway Bears, girl. Honey, I need you to represent for me and my need. Please, honey. And if any of my viewers out there, I see you. Hi. Hey, honey. Kenny Mac. But if any of you guys out there are dancers and will be participating in it, send me a message, honey. I think I'm gonna come to the very next one. I think you'll see me out there and in a cute shoe and an effect and things. So I have to tell you guys, I'm so very excited. And those of you who saw my Christmas one know that I got front row tickets to the Prince concert at Madison Square Gardens on January 18th. So I am through the roof, honey. Honey, I am through the roof. Can you see me? Look, no, come here. Let me show you. Look at me. Through the roof. Okay? Because those of you who really, truly know me have heard me talk about how much I love Prince, honey. Yes. So, that's all. I'm feeling a little, you know, when you say his name, then you have to, like, correct a lip, honey. Make my mouth a little moist. Yeah. He's fabulous. I love him. So, oh, I also saw Black Swan, you guys. Oh, have you seen that? Okay, I need some feedback. Those of you who have seen it, tell me what your favorite scene is. And then I'll do some videos related to your favorite scene just for you, honey. It'll be like we're talking one-on-one and things of that nature. So, send me your messages. You can either send it to me at Cisco Vegas, CISCOVEGAS. That's my Twitter, honey. So search me out and find me and follow me and be one of my tweet honeys. Or you can look me up on Facebook, honey, and find out what the real Gaga is. Give you some real good teasing. And plus, check out my pictures, you guys. Check it out. Oh, Elvis, honey, I got your Facebook message. I love you. Thank you for a wonderful time, honey. And, oh, you guys, I have to show you, like, what I got for Christmas from Elvis and Michael. Yes, I have to show you guys because I love it, and I didn't wear it today because I didn't want to wear it in the rain, okay? And the snow and the wind. I'm going to make sure it's very, maybe, you know what? Ooh, maybe I'll wear it to the Prince concert. I can try and coordinate some sort of fashionable way to implement. Look at this. You guys see? See? Ain't it pretty? Look. So cute. Yes. So, I'm absolutely maybe wearing. How does it look? Can you see? Can you see? Look. Let me see. Let me see. Not that way. Tilt down so you can see. Come on, look down. Alright, I don't have to. Can you see now? Isn't that cute? Oh. Yeah, when I bite into a York peppermint patty, I get the sensation. Yes, that's what it makes me feel like. Thank you, Elvis. Thank you, Mike. Love you. Okay, You guys, I'm going to give you a little glimpsey poo at the snow coming down outside. So I just want to say, send me some emails, send me some love, and I'm going to maybe take you out with a little bedrock. Because I can make a bedrock, and on a snow night, you will want to. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Check this out. See if you can see the snow, honeys.